Hey, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew your driver's license in Michigan. So, first, you may want to head over to michigan.gov, and from here, just scroll down. And under Vehicle Services, you should be able to see the Renew Driver's License link. So, just click on it and this will redirect you to your license or ID renewal page. And from here, just scroll down and you can see here ways to renew your license. So the first way is renewing your license online. And to do that, you're going to need to go to online services. So just click on this link. Now, this will depend if the service is available on the day that you access it. But if it's not available, you can always renew your license with this other ways. Next is by mail. And to know more information on how you can renew your license by mail, scroll down and from here just switch to by mail. And if you're eligible to renew your license or ID by mail, you will need renewal notice, the return envelope included with your renewal notice, check or money order payable to the state of Michigan. But if you lose or damage your return envelope, you can mail your renewal directly to this address. The next way is through self-service station. So, if you're eligible to renew your license, you're going to need the following and $4.25 service fee will be charged for each item transacted at the station. And from here, all you have to do is find a self service station by clicking on the link. And from here, all you have to do is enter in city or zip code or use the Detect My Location button below. So just click on it and the site will automatically detect your location and will show you the nearest station in your location. Then the next thing that you're going to do is scan or enter the barcode and pay via credit or debit card or cash where available. And lastly is print. So the last way in renewing your license is via office visit. You're going to need to schedule an office visit. You're going to need your license or ID, payment with cash, check, money order, or credit or debit card, and additional fees apply. Just click on schedule an office visit. And from here, you will be asked what would you like to schedule. So we're just going to pick driver for driver's licenses and driver's license renewal. And of course, fill in information such as your driver's license or ID number, date of birth, and if you're applying for real ID, and of course the terms and conditions. Next is just follow all the on-screen prompts until you finalize scheduling an office visit. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!